Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss another problem about the equation of the circle. Okay, we have to find the equation of a circle with center at 1, -4, and radius of 2, square root of 3. And we're making an equation of the circle in standard form. Okay, so ito yung equation natin in standard form. Okay, so we have here x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. Okay, so ang center natin ito. So this one, yung x-coordinate natin will be our h. And yung y-coordinate natin will be our k. And our radius will be 2 square root of 3. Okay, so we have x minus, ano yung h natin? 1. And then squared. Plus y minus, ano yung k natin? -4. Ay, lagay natin sa parenthesis para hindi malito. And then squared is equal to r squared. So we have 2 square root of 3 squared. Okay? So yung radius mo, which is 2 square root of 3, naka-squared siya. Okay? Now this one, we just copy kasi wala na tayong magagawa dyan. So we have x minus 1 squared plus, we have here negative and negative, di ba? We multiply, so negative times negative is positive. So the operation between y and 4 is plus already. So y plus 4 squared is equal to this one. Anong ibig sabihin nito? We have 2 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. So we have to simplify this. O, i-copy lang to. So we have this one plus, okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is square root of 9. Pero alam natin kung ano yung square root of 9, di ba? Ano? That's 3. So we have here, copy lang ulit, is equal to 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? We have 12. So the final answer will be the quantity of x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y plus 4 squared is equal to 4 times 3, 12. So this one now is the equation of the circle of this question. Now you try. Find the equation of a circle with center at 5, -8 and a radius of 3 square root of 5. Okay, you try to do this. Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!